We got 8.5 inches of wet, heavy snow last night. I'm driving through it now to take the dogs for a walk. I thought I'd show you what it looks like. Again, my Jeep goes through anything, so I don't have a problem dealing with this stuff. Windows are frozen shut right now, or I'd put the camera out the window to let you guys see. Lots and lots of trees down because it's that heavy wet snow that sticks to the branches. Going on a snow emergency road now, so this one's been plowed. Only a few of the snow emergency routes have been plowed. Most of the other streets aren't. You can see all the down trees. I'm expecting once we get down to the river for there to be quite a few down trees down there. I'll stop it here and film when we get to some more interesting spots to drive. Again, you can see all the down trees. The road's pretty slippery too. See, the snow emergency route here is plowed. The side streets aren't. They're pretty rough to drive on. Yeah, we got 8.5 inches of wet, heavy snow last night. emergency routes. You can see the side streets haven't been plowed yet.